Hello everyone. Let me begin with a question. Have you ever heard the saying, keep your friends close but your enemies closer? In the business world, understanding who your rivals are and what they do is critical to staying competitive. In this lecture, we will explore how to identify potential rivals, why it is important, and how this knowledge can help businesses grow and adapt. In this lecture, you will understand why identifying rivals is crucial for business success, learn methods to identify and analyze potential competitors, explore examples of businesses that gained an advantage by studying their rivals. Every business operates in a competitive environment. Knowing your rivals helps you understand the market better, identify your strengths, and spot areas for improvement. Take Coca-Cola and Pepsi, for example. Their rivalry has pushed both companies to innovate and improve their products. This competition benefits not only the businesses but also their customers, who enjoy better choices. Ignoring competitors can leave a business vulnerable. If you do not know who your rivals are, you might miss important trends or opportunities. One way to identify rivals is to look at the market. This involves asking questions like who is offering similar products or services and who is targeting the same customers. For instance, when Airbnb entered the market, hotels quickly recognized it as a rival because it targeted the same travelers but offered a different experience. This forced hotels to rethink their strategies and focus more on personalized services. A market analysis can reveal both direct and indirect competitors. Direct competitors sell similar products, while indirect competitors offer alternate solutions to the same problem. Another way to identify rivals is to listen to your customers. Pay attention to what other options they are considering and why. For example, when Netflix noticed people spending time on YouTube, it realized that user generated content was a competitor to its professionally produced shows. This insight helped Netflix focus on creating original content to retain its audience. Understanding customer behavior helps businesses stay one step ahead of their rivals. Trends often reveal new competitors entering the market. Businesses that monitor these changes can identify potential threats early. Tesla, for instance, carefully watched trends in electric vehicles and recognized established automakers as rivals. This allowed Tesla to position itself as an innovative leader in the industry. Staying updated on industry trends helps businesses adapt and compete effectively. Think of rivals as opponents in a game. To win, you need to understand their strengths, weaknesses, and strategies. If you do not know who your opponents are, you can't prepare. Similarly, businesses must identify their rivals to create strategies that set them apart and give them a competitive edge. Once rivals are identified, businesses can use this information to improve their own strategies. This includes analyzing competitors' strengths to learn what works and spotting their weaknesses to find opportunities. For example, Samsung studies Apple's premium branding and created a similar strategy for its Galaxy phones. At the same time, Samsung identified Apple's lack of variety and introduced a wide range of models to attract more customers. Understanding competitors isn't about copying them, it is about learning from them and finding ways to stand out. Choose a company or product you admire. Research its competitors and write a one-page report explaining how these rivals influence the company's strategies. Can you think of any rivalries in business, sports, or other fields? What do you think those rivals have learned from each other? Share your insights in the comment section. In summary, identifying potential rivals is essential for staying competitive. Businesses can analyze their market, study customer choices, and observe trends to spot competitors. Using this information helps businesses improve and grow. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one.